interested to learn video editing? In this video, we will be discussing DaVinci Resolve. It is widely used by professionals in the film and television industry as well as by content creators. Join me as we explore the basic features of this software and how you can use it to create videos. You can download the free version of this software from blackmagicdesign.com. First, we explore how to trim a video. Once installed DaVinci, click on New Project. To trim a video, select Media from the bottom part. To insert a video, right-click and select Import Media. If you want to select a folder with multiple media files, click on Import Bin. For now, I am selecting a single media file. To edit a file, you can click here. Now you can drag and drop the file here. You need to do few settings before you start trimming. Move the slider to get a better view of your file. Now you can select few timeline options like video or view option. You can select different options according to your need. Now I am selecting strip view. From audio option, I am selecting the first and second one. Also, we can adjust the track video audio heights for the smooth editing. Now, if you want to cut down the video part and you require only audio, then you can disable the video track here. Now let's trim a middle part of this video. Select blade and click on the track. Point the start and end part to be trimmed. Click on the selection mode to remove the blade. Then click on the selected part to be trimmed and press delete key. If you don't want to delete that part and it should be moved to any other part of the track, you can drag and drop it. Now we will look into another feature, which is cropping the video, which means if you want to cut down the top or bottom portion, we can do it very easily. Select the portion of video you want to crop. Then click on the crop option from here. Now you can adjust the frame like this so that you can crop the portion which is not required. Next feature is transform. In this we can do the zoom in and zoom out like this. Either you can adjust the number here or you can click on that box and drag it left and right. To change the position, you can do the same. Same way, you can change the angle of the video. To adjust the speed of the video, you can select the desired clip and right click and select change clip speed. Here you can adjust the speed. Now let's try to add title or text in the video. Click here, then select toolbox and select titles. Here you get titles in different formats. Now you can drag and drop the desired one. To customize the title, we can select it and here you can change it. You can adjust the color and size of the text too. Next is video transition, which means if you want to add effects between clips, you can choose transitions. Select video transition from toolbox. Here you get different options and now I am selecting blur, dissolve and I am keeping it between two video clips. Let's see the change. It added blurred effect. Once you are done with editing, we can save the edited video. Click on Deliver. Enter the file name and select the location to be saved. Then click on Add to Render Queue and click on Render All. It may take some time to complete the process. Once it is done, you can view the file in the selected location.